So I'm positive you've seen the Slate EV truck, and I was very intrigued by it. I thought it would be a great alternative to the Jeep Wrangler, something a little bit smaller like a Suzuki Jimny or a Geo Tracker, and it might be a little less expensive. But as I looked into it, the Slate is very small. That doesn't mean it's a deal breaker for me. I did put a deposit down for it, but I'm really curious how cramped it'll be inside. But if you're thinking it's just like every other SUV out there, then you might be surprised. Let's talk about how small it really is. What if I told you that the newest electric truck on the market is actually shorter than a Honda Civic? In a world where trucks have grown to monstrous proportions, one company is going back to basics with a revolutionary concept: make trucks small again, really small. Welcome to the surprising world of the Slate truck, a vehicle so compact it's challenging everything we've come to expect about modern pickups. Today, we're going to get up close and personal with this miniature marvel to understand just how small it really is, and whether that's a brilliant step backward or a limiting compromise. The unexpected size. At just 174.6 inches long, the Slate truck is a genuine throwback to an era when pickups were truly compact. For perspective, that's more than 2 feet shorter than Ford's smallest current truck, the Maverick. Even more surprisingly, it's almost 5 inches shorter than a Honda Civic hatchback. The comparisons to the classic 1985 Toyota pickup aren't coincidental. As automotive journalist Daniel Peters notes, the dimensional similarities to the old Toyota are stunning. It's as if someone rebuilt the beloved mini truck of the 1980s, but with modern technology. Standing 69.3 inches tall and 70.6 inches wide, the Slate occupies a footprint that's practically extinct in today's market. Its 108.9-inch wheelbase is deliberately compact, allowing for tight turning circles that larger trucks can only dream of. What's fascinating is that this diminutive size isn't just a quirky design choice, it's central to Slate's entire philosophy. The company believes American vehicles have grown unnecessarily large, and they're betting there's an untapped market of people who've been silently wishing for the return of a truly small pickup. Inside the cabin. Step inside the Slate, and the first thing you'll notice is what isn't here. No massive touchscreen, no complicated controls, just the basics, including, yes, actual crank windows. But don't let the Spartan appearance fool you. This interior has been meticulously designed with human dimensions in mind. Despite its compact external dimensions, the Slate offers surprisingly generous headroom. At approximately 40 inches, it's comparable to many mid-size sedans. The interior width is where you'll notice the vehicle's compact nature most, with about 54 inches of shoulder room. You're definitely sitting closer to your passenger than in a full-size truck. The distance between the seats is about 4 inches less than in a typical full-size pickup, creating a more intimate cabin experience reminiscent of sports cars rather than utility vehicles. For some, this closeness will feel cozy. For others, possibly cramped. What's genuinely impressive is the 34 cubic feet of storage space behind the seats. In the bed, that's enough room for several large backpacks or a couple of medium-sized suitcases. The bed is where things get particularly interesting. At exactly 5 feet long and 54.9 inches at its widest point, it's more compact than what you'd find on today's mid-size trucks. Can it haul a standard 4x8 sheet of plywood? Technically, yes, but with about a foot of overhang when the tailgate is down. The distance between the wheel wells is just 42.9 inches, which means plywood will need to rest on top of the wheel arches rather than lie flat. Where the Slate truly innovates is with its front trunk, or frunk, offering an additional 7 cubic feet of storage space where a traditional engine would be. What's particularly clever is the drain plug Slate installed, allowing you to use the space as an ice chest for tailgating, something you certainly couldn't do with a combustion engine trunk. When you combine the 35.1 cubic feet in the bed and 7 cubic feet in the trunk, you're looking at over 42 cubic feet of cargo space in a vehicle smaller than a compact car. That's the magic of purpose-built EV architecture. The customization factor. Perhaps the most revolutionary aspect of the Slate isn't just its size, it's what you can do with that size. With Slate's conversion kit, this tiny truck transforms into a 5-seat SUV. This adaptability is unheard of in modern vehicles, where manufacturers typically force customers to choose between body styles. With over 100 accessories available at launch, the Slate is designed to evolve with your needs. Want power windows instead of cranks? There's a module for that. Need heated seats? A special cover can be added that wires directly into the electric system. Even the exterior follows this philosophy. The truck comes in unpainted gray composite panels, with the expectation that owners will customize using pre-cut vinyl wraps. According to one Slate engineer, "We believe vehicles should be as unique as their owners, not just in color, but in functionality." Driving dynamics. With a curb weight of just 3,602 pounds, remarkably light for an EV, the Slate feels nimble and responsive in urban environments. The compact dimensions become a genuine advantage when parking or maneuvering through tight spaces. The turning radius is particularly impressive, approximately 3 feet tighter than the Ford Maverick, allowing U-turns in spaces where larger trucks would need 3-point turns. Highway driving reveals both strengths and limitations. The 201 horsepower electric motor provides adequate acceleration, 0 to 60 in 8 seconds, but the 90 mile/hour top speed is lower than most modern vehicles. According to Slate's engineering team, this limited top speed was a deliberate choice to maximize range and minimize the battery size. The bigger picture. What the Slate represents is both a step forward and a return to the past. It challenges the notion that bigger is always better, that trucks must continually grow in size and complexity. Since the 1980s, the average pickup truck has grown nearly 20% in length and 30% in height. The Slate reverses this trend dramatically, offering dimensions more in line with what trucks used to be before the supersizing of America took hold. Automotive historian Dr. Martha Reynolds suggests this might be part of a larger pendulum swing. Throughout automotive history, we've seen cycles of growth followed by rational downsizing. The oil crisis of the 1970s gave us compact cars. Perhaps today's climate concerns and urban density will give us the return of truly right-sized trucks. Conclusion. At a starting price of under $20,000 after federal incentives, the Slate truck isn't just challenging our perceptions of size, it's questioning whether electric vehicles need to be premium products. By embracing simplicity and customization over built-in complexity, Slate has created something genuinely different in today's automotive landscape. In the end, the Slate's diminutive dimensions aren't just about creating a smaller truck, they're about reimagining what a truck needs to be in the modern world. Whether this truly small EV pickup represents the future or merely an interesting detour will ultimately be decided by consumers. But one thing is certain, in a world of ever-growing vehicles, small can indeed be revolutionary.